we'll guide you through how to import video in Unity. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, prepare your own video file and make sure it is saved in an easy-to-find location on your computer before opening Unity. Next, open the Start window by tapping the Windows button on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Unity and wait for the results to appear on the screen. Select the top option from the result bar to launch the software correctly. After opening the program, wait for the software to load properly before continuing to the next step. Once Unity is ready, open your current project file that you want to insert the video into. Wait again until the scene fully loads so all project assets and tools become available. After that, import the video into your Unity project by dragging and dropping the file into the project window. Then, create a raw image by going to the hierarchy, selecting the UI canvas section, and clicking Raw Image. Rename the raw image to something descriptive, such as Screen, to keep your project organized and easier to manage later. Adjust the size of the raw image in the Rect Transform component, and use a resolution of 1920 by 1080 for standard HD video display. Next, create an empty game object in your hierarchy and name it Video Player. Add the Video Player component to this object by clicking Add Component and searching for Video Player in the list. Assign your video clip by dragging the imported video file into the video clip slot inside the Video Player component. Create a render texture in your project window by right-clicking, selecting Create, choosing Rendering, and then clicking Render Texture. Set the render texture size in the inspector to match your video resolution at 1920 by 1080. Link the render texture to the player by dragging it into the target texture field of the Video Player component. After that, apply the texture to the UI screen by dragging the same render texture into the texture field of your raw image. Press play in the Unity editor to test and confirm the video is playing correctly on your UI screen. Finally, save your file for future usage and keep your project changes secure. This process allows your imported video to display properly inside Unity during future project development sessions.